Hi there, I'm Patrick, this is Jay. We're the Move to Palm Beach team. We're here in Palm Beach Gardens to show you a fabulous palatial 6,000 square foot home.
6,019 square feet estate to be exact. So we're gonna have so much fun taking you on this tour, but I wanna first and foremost show you, you have 4 garages over here and 2 over here as well. If you like cars, this is the house for you. Let's take a tour inside, come on guys. I mean, guys, who doesn't love a grand entrance, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you to the living area and the kitchen first before we take you to the master suite. Trust me, you wanna save that for last. So come on, guys. As you go through, you're gonna see you have the dining area and a step down wet bar, so you can have a great party in this house. You have a fantastic eat-in kitchen here. And Patrick, what is the window?
Oh, this is a frameless bay window. It's really gorgeous.
It is fantastic. And you have a little bit of a sitting area to watch TV, and there's also another bedroom that way. Welcome to your kitchen. It's fantastic. It was just redone. Patrick, why don't you tell us just a little bit about it?
Well, it's a beautiful chef's kitchen. It has 2 Sub-Zero refrigerators, gas stove, 6 burner, and this really nice monochromatic color scheme. Very dramatic marble that I think is really tasteful too.
You also have the 2 stoves over here as well. So as you come this way through the house, you're gonna see you have the garage that way, the laundry room, and 2 ensuite bedrooms here. You also have a fantastic wine rack to put all your Screaming Eagle or whatever wine you have. Come on guys, this is just gonna be my favorite part of the house. I love this living area, but my favorite place to just go and unwind if I was to live here would be this office. It is superbly done. It has great built-ins. It also has a half bath here. I swear to God, I could do all of my contracts in here and never get tired of it. So now, Pat, are you ready for the master?
Yeah, let's go see the master.
Let's go see the master. Guys, welcome home. As you can see, when you first walk in here, if you're just tired walking through your whole house, you can just sit down, have a drink, and look out onto your gorgeous little area out there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go this way and go through the her side of the master first. So as you come this way, you have a fantastic wet bar, you have a little office area or makeup station, and then you come into one of the most beautiful bathrooms I think I've seen in a long time, right, Pat? So if you look up, the ceiling is about 25 feet high. It's called a clerestory, correct, Pat?
Yeah, a clerestory.
And everything up there lets in the natural light, and it's also all hurricane impact windows, so you do not have to worry about that. You have a fantastically oversized shower and also a water closet as well. Speaking about closets, here is the hers closet. It's fantastically big. Like you can put all of your gowns and everything you possibly could want in here. And you don't have to fight over sharing because there's another men's side too. So let's take a look at that side. Also, just so you know, everything up there was hand painted.
It's beautiful ceiling.
So Patrick's gonna go into the men's closet.
Right, another big spacious closet.
And then we're gonna go into the men's bathroom as well, which also will double as a cabana bath because it has access to the pool.
Yes.
It's a very nicely done men's bathroom. It's very masculine. It's really beautiful. Again, everything in the house is basically impact. So we're gonna take a trip into the actual master bedroom. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? You have the hand-painted ceilings over here. You have a little nook so you can have your red wine at night and you can read a book before going to bed. And if you want to actually go out and take a swim in your private pool, come out this way.
So check this pool out.
Look
this is a resort style pool with golf course views.
You're on the 2nd hole of the course.
One of 3 courses.
One of 3 courses. So as you can see, you have the hot tub over here. You have the fantastic pool with the water feature here. You also have an outdoor dining area here. This has been such a fabulous tour. I'm so happy that we could take you around. And we're again the Move to Palm Beach team.
All right, thanks for joining us today. For more information about this fabulous house, please click the link in the description.
It's down below.
Right, be sure to like us and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye guys, have a great day.